Welcome to another video. Today I'm showing you how to make Tom Brown porridge. As you can see from my previous videos, I made a video of how to make Tom Brown powder, okay, Tom Brown's recipe. So today we are making the porridge. So watch me make this beautiful and delicious Tom Brown porridge, okay. So in a bowl I just add some Tom Brown powder. Yes, depending on how much porridge you want, then I went ahead to add my water. I'll be mentioning the ingredients that I use to make the Tom Brown powder later in the video, so please keep watching. And if you are new, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe also if you are new. Let me just use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So after making the paste, I started to boil some water. All depends on the amount of porridge that you want, depends on how many servings. So my water is boiling, so I went ahead to pour in my Tom Brown paste. Yes, before you do this, kindly take note that if you don't stir your Tom Brown while pouring it inside, it's going to form lumps, just as you are seeing right now. So be careful when you are pouring your Tom Brown paste into the boiling water. Be very vigilant, and then you prevent the lumps from forming, okay. So I went ahead to add some water just because it's becoming too thick, and it depends the amount of water you are going to use to make your Tom Brown porridge. Depend how thick or light you want your porridge to be. Tom Brown is usually delicious when you make it a little thicker. All depends on your taste. So after stirring continuously for some time, I have to cover it and let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, I did not add salt to the Tom Brown porridge because there is salt as part of the ingredients that I use in making the Tom Brown powder, okay. I use a lot of ingredients in making this particular Tom Brown powder, which are 10 ingredients, and I'm going to be mentioning them soon. So I use rice, I use wheat, I use soya beans, I use groundnut, date, also millet, oats, fish, almond, and coconut. I also use milk powder flavor and salt to taste, okay. So your Tom Brown porridge is ready. You just serve it according to the amount of porridge that you want, and then add your sweetener if any. Because I use dates and a lot of things, I decided not to add any sweetener. The date itself is a sweetener. I just added some milk, and yeah, the Tom Brown porridge is ready. Use this for your babies, or any other person can take this Tom Brown powder or Tom Brown porridge. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.